Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about sixth class science lecture. In this, we will completed our first chapter, that is source of food. तो इसमें हमने source of food complete कर लिया है. Today we will discuss about question answer of this chapter. आज हम इस chapter में इसके जो question answer है उनको discuss करेंगे. So our first part of the question answer is multiple choice questions. जैसे जैसे मैं आपको बोलता जा रहा हूँ, क्वेश्चन बोलूँ उसके साथ भी आपको क्या देना है, आंसर देना है, ताकि आपको पता लगता रहे कि आपको कुछ आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, आप सही बता रहे हो या नहीं बता रहे हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज which one of the following makes our food tasty and add flavor to our foods. So इनमें से कौन सा है that will make our food tasty and add flavor to our foods? So oils, fish, coffee, cereals. So what is the answer of this? Spice. Spices is the make our food tasty and add flavor to our food. Which one of the following is not an animal product? इनमें से कौन सा एक है जो एनिमल प्रोडक्ट नहीं है? सो वी हैव टू टेल which one of the following is not an animal product? Cheese, honey, egg, barley. So what is the answer of this question is barley. Barley is not an animal product. Now third is which of these is not an herbivore? इनमें से कौन सा हमारा एक herbivore नहीं है? Fox, cow, rabbit, horse. So what is the answer of this? Fox. Fox is not a herbivore. Now the fourth question is honey is collected by butterflies, houseflies, honeybees, dragonflies. So honey is collected by, what is the answer of this? Honeybees. Now fifth is which one of the following contain protein? इनमें से कौन सा है जो प्रोटीन कंटेन करता है? राइस, ग्राम, maize, all of these. So what is the answer of this? All of them is contain protein, and all of them will contain protein. So this is the answer of these multiple choice questions. ये हमारे इन multiple choice question के आंसर थे. आगे हम जो बी पार्ट है सेकंड, दैट इज fill in the blanks, choose the correct words. हमें fill in the blanks करना है सेकंड पार्ट के अंदर. So all these are the simple and easy questions. You will be do all these things in previous lecture. So these are the easy things. So you have to fill up these blanks with the correct words. So bear oblique butterfly is herbivore. इनमें से कौन सा herbivore है? Bear है या butterfly है? So who is the herbivore? Butterfly. Now in the second fill in the blanks, dash herbivores, omnivores only eat plants. So कौन से होते हैं जो only plants को eat करते हैं? herbivores या omnivores? So what is the answer of this? herbivores. Now third is carrot and dash turnip, potato are roots. इनमें से turnip and potato किसमें roots होते हैं? So carrot as well as, क्या होगा आंसर इसका? potato are roots. Now what is the fourth? egg of goat oblique hen are eaten by human beings. So किसके एग है वो ह्यूमन बींग्स के द्वारा ईट किए जाते हैं? दैट इज द गोट एंड hen. So what is the answer of this? Very simple. hand. Now, spinach is a leafy oblique flower vegetables. So जो हमारा spinach है वो एक leafy oblique flower vegetable है. So what is the answer of this? Leafy flower. So these are the fill in the blanks with correct words. So you have to done all these fill in the blanks on your notebook and also learn about all these fill in the blanks. These are the simple question answers. We have to do all these things in our previous lectures. ये सारी जो बातें हैं हमने अपने previous lectures में discuss कर ली है. Now third is write T for true and F for false statements. So food provides us energy. This is the correct statement or not? So this is the true statement because food provide us energy. हमें खाना जो है वो energy provide करती है, ये सही है. Animal which eat the flesh of the other animal are called herbivorous. So जो animal दूसरे animals का flesh eat करते हैं, क्या उनको हम herbivorous बोलते हैं? No. This is a false statement. That and the animal which eat the flesh of the other animal we called these omnivorous carnivorous animals. Now third is chicken and eggs are rich source of protein and vitamins. So chicken and egg, these are the rich source of protein and vitamin. True or false? So this is the true statement because chicken and egg are the rich source of protein and vitamin. Now fourth is animal which eat both plant and flesh of other animal are called carnivorous. So वो animal जो दूसरे animals का flesh eat करते हैं and plants को भी eat करते हैं, that we will call carnivorous. Not that animal we will call omnivorous. So this statement is false. So what is our last and final statement? Sunflower is an oil yielding plant. So sunflower is an oil yielding plant. True or false? So this is a true statement. So this is the true false for these statements. So in this lecture we will discuss about our three part of the question answer. You have to learn all these question answer. You have to learn on these question answer. This is your today's homework and this is the end of your lecture. Thank you.